This is the little 1500 PSI back here pressure washing the deck. The boy Dead B House. Just letting it be known you ain't got to have all that 2700 and all that other stuff to get a hard job done. That's how we do it. All day, every day. That's what the whole patio look like right now. The whole back porch look like that. Now look at the rest. Little electric, little electric. All right. Little electric. You ain't gotta worry about all that noise. Ain't waking up the old folks. People still in there trying to get their church on. This is a Sunday evening. And we ain't even been out here 30 minutes yet. It's all in the chemical, baby. Can't give y'all that solution, but it's all in the chemical and the know-how. Peace out.